Hi everyone, how to fix the Modern Warfare 3 is not launching on your PC. So guys, the fixing this problem is very easy. You just need to follow the steps and apply into your PC. So the first thing you need to make sure you have the minimum or the recommended requirement to run this game. So here you will see the requirements. So once you see that, go to the library and just click on your Modern Warfare 3 game. So now here click on the gear icon you are seeing. Just click on its properties. So now here you just need to click on the updates, and if there is missing or any available update, then you can simply update it. Click on the install files, click on the browse, and here you will see your Modern Warfare 3 installer where it launches. So you just need to right click on that and go to its properties. So now from here just go to its compatibility and check the box of run the program in the compatibility mode, and choose here the Windows 8 and also check the box of disable full screen optimization and run as administrator. Then click on apply, click on the OK and just restart the game and your problem is fixed. And guys, if your problem is not fixed after this solution, then the next thing you need to do, click on the gear icon, open up the properties, go to the install files, click on the verify integrity of game files. Once you click on that, now, this built-in function will start repairing your corrupted files or any missing files, and if there is any, then this built-in function can fix them automatically. After that, you just need to restart the game and see your problem is fixed or not. And guys, if your problem is still not fixed, right click on your taskbar and just open up your task manager. Now here you just need to end all the application or close all the background apps or software that you are not using. So because this software will run in your background cause lot of bandwidth usage or the lot of CPU or the RAM usage. After that, just go to the startups and here you also need to disable all the application. So when you start your PC, this application will start automatically without your permission. So will cost a lot of the bandwidth or lot of the RAM usage or the CPU usage of your PC. So you just need to right click on this application and just simply disable this application. And make sure you don't disable this important, which is the Realtek or the Intel graphics command. After you done that, you just need to apply the next step to fix this problem. So make sure your Windows is updated. Go to the Windows side, type here the update and open it, and here if there is any update, then you can simply update it. After that, just go to the Windows side again, type here the graphic settings and now open it. So once it was open, so now here in the graphic settings, you just need to make sure that your Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 game is added here. If this is not added here, just you can just click on that, go to its option here, you'll see the high performance. So to add the game on the your graphic settings, you just need to click on that game and just click on the add. So how to find the game location, open up your Steam and here click on the gear icon of your Warzone game, go to its install files, click on the browse option. So now from here copy the path you are seeing on the top. So once you copied the path, just open up your graphic settings. Now here you can just simply go to click on the browse, and now here you can just simply paste this path. Then just simply hit the enter, and now here you can simply select the Call of Duty launcher. So once you select the launcher, click on the add. So now the Modern Warfare 3 is added. Click on the option. Here you just need to click on the high performance. So it will use all the power of your graphic card, and it can also fix the any crashing or the lagging issues. So after that, just restart the game, restart your PC, and restart the game. Your problem is fixed. And guys, this is how you can fix this problem. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider liking this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.